In this video, I will show you how to change your age on TikTok app. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, as you can see now tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile now, tap on this, as you can see now, this menu at the top right side. Now go to settings and privacy. After you open your settings and privacy now, tap on this account section. After you open this account, now go to this account information. Under this account information now you're supposed to see your age in this section, but TikTok has removed the option, so now you can't be able to see your age to change it in this section. So the next option that I will show you now is the possible method to change your age on TikTok or to change your birthday on TikTok. First of all, tap on this back arrow again. After you come to this section, as you can see now, under this settings and privacy, scroll to down and tap on this where it says report a problem. So after you tap on this report a problem, now allow it to finish loading. As you can see now, it will load more information for you. So now, as you can see now it just gives us this option. Now scroll to down and tap on this section where it says this one, where it says chat with us, the last option. Allow it to finish loading again. So as you can see now it gives you an option now to chat with the TikTok live support. So now all you have to do now, tap on this section, type in change date or change birthday. So tap on this send button. So now they will give you an option now to change your birthday. As you can see now, here is it. As you can see now, it says, hi, if you believe that the date of birth you enter is incorrect, please tap on the button below to report a problem. When you report, please follow the step to choose general account inquiry topic. So all you have to do now, tap on this section where it says report a problem. Now allow it to finish loading. So after it finished loading, as you can see now, here is it. Tap on this section where it says select an option topic. So I'll just come to and tap on this section which says change account information. Select it. After you select the account information, now tap on this where it says category. Select your category. So as you can see now, here it says general category or other. So tap on this just general category or general question. So as you can see now it will now ask you now to type in your Gmail account. So just go ahead and type in your Gmail account that TikTok will just contact you with it. So I'll just go and type in a random Gmail account. So I'll use this one. So after you type in your Gmail account, all you have to do now, tap on this in this section where it says username is optional. You can skip this option, don't add your username. So come to this section and type in a message like this: I want to change my date of birth So as you can see now, I want to change my date of birth. So as you can see now, here it says minimum numbers of 50 characters. So just make sure don't add a character that are more than 50 characters. So after you finish just adding your information like this, so all you have to now scroll to down and make sure to check on these two options. As you can see now, so tap on this section to check on it. As you can see now, so tap on this submit button. So if I tap on this submit button now, I can be able now to wait for TikTok for now like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So they will respond to me through the email address that I gave them. As you can see there, this email address, they will respond to me through this email address, and they will change my date of birth on my TikTok account, or they will change my age on my TikTok account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.